Wow, what a milestone. It's amazing. 3,000 subscribers. It doesn't necessarily equate to how much money you make on YouTube, but there's a smidge of a correlation. Not really. It really has to do with views. Subscribers are how in YouTube you start to get paid. At a minimum, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, and we got that over a year ago. But we're at 3,000 now. And I say we, me and my wife. If you're a married couple, you don't do anything without your spouse. It's their support of you making videos and doing things like this is how you make it happen. But I want to take you through some of the analytics of the channel, where it's gone and where it's at right now as far as numbers. So stick around, and I'll show you this laptop I got over here, because you just entered the coolest life. Thank you edition. So we started this channel about 4 years ago, and predominantly it's my channel in a sense. My wife doesn't do much recording, isn't in very many of my videos. She's in a few, definitely. The family is, but it's that kind of support that you need to make a successful channel. Essentially, what I've done with this channel is I've thrown mud up against the wall, and what I mean by that is this being a true channel, because this is not a YouTube channel that is geared toward one specific avenue of people. Great example. My playlist is pretty vast in the sense that if you like travel, I've got a playlist for things we've done while we've traveled, especially since we've been on the road for 3 years now in our RV full time. So definitely got some travel videos. Got RV review for our different parks. We tend to stop at churches, so I've got a church review section. I've also got the other one would be Masonic. So I've got over 200 Masonic videos, not only teaching but mainly lodge videos. And then I know there's another category I'm missing, but anyway, my point is there's a lot of different categories I have in the playlist to do a how-to edition. I talk about the car and the RV and different things, but anyway, let me go ahead and show you what the analytics of this channel are. Hold on. So here I'm showing you my laptop, and it shows you the analytics of this channel. As of this, we're at 3,000 subscribers, as you can see right there, is what this is telling us. It may be a little more than that now, or maybe a little less than that right now. But for the most part, since this channel's inception, which right here tells me when I started this, October 31st, Halloween of 2019 is how old this channel is. So gosh, this is 6 years, coming up on 6 years. It's definitely been 5 years, but this shows you basically how much money I've actually made on this channel. Now this is lifetime. So you tell me this, would you have started something like this and done it for 6 years if you thought you were going to make this kind of money? This isn't a monthly income. This is cute. It is over 6 years. Divide that and think about how much I'm actually getting paid. So I don't even talk about how much I'm getting paid for this channel, because you're talking about $800 over 6 years. So it's not much. That's not why I'm doing it. You don't do something like this because of that. Watch time hours, and of course it gives you these little boxes here, but that's just how this thing works. So let me see if I can find something else here. Viewers, the content. Content's kind of cool because it'll show you some of the different videos and stuff and how well they've done, impressions, views, all that good stuff. So anyway, you can see right here, I got 314,000 views, and this actually shows you some of the videos. And this, of course, is its lifetime. And I can drill this down. Let me show you this. I can drill this down and change this right here to say the last 28 days. And then this will change. It shows you how many views I've gotten in the last 28 days. So 12,000. And I've made $56 this month. Yay! So, of course, the goal is to make $56 a day. and now I'm making $56 a month. So I'm nowhere close to that. I'm probably, at the rate I'm going now, I'm probably 5 years from making $500 a day, or excuse me, a month, I should say. So I'm nowhere close to that. Of course, this actually says 2,999 anyway. Let's see. And this other one here says in the last year. So this gives me 365 days. You can see how many subscribers I gained, 1,400. So almost half of all my subscribers have come in the last year. That's what this shows you. And I do this by advertising. Every place I go, I try to put up a little sticker, or when I go to Masonic lodges, I advertise it there, hand out cards that say, join the channel, and people just like you who are sending my videos to other people, and they are joining. So there's a lot of that. Now, this here, I want to show you this real quick. This here shows you the amount of, and of course, we're on last year for the last 365 days. It shows you my #1 video that I created. This one here I did back in February of 2015. Masonic, Scottish Rite, and York Rite, how they differ. 11,000 views. This makes you think that maybe I should change this into a Masonic channel only, if I'm getting that kind of stuff, and also make it Masonic teachings. Even here, Royal Order of Jesters. I did this video back in 2019, and look at that, I got 6,000 views. So it's amazing how that can work. In fact, I'm going to show you this right here. I just zoomed this down. So here, well, I thought that was going to change, but it didn't. I thought that was going to tell me how much money I made on that video. Sometimes they do that. Anyway, it doesn't. But it tells you how many views you've got in the last 365 days. So I can click this over here, and I can say, give me a lifetime. It's pretty cool, actually. They do a good job. And I'm as you can tell, I'm way open as far as, what's going on. So I got a video here, which you can see. And Royal Order of Jesters, what are they? I did this back in 2019. I've got 21,000 views on this one video. This one here, I got 14,000 views. Now, this is not big when you compare it to a lot of other big YouTubers. I will say this. Most YouTubers do not get anywhere close to 500 subscribers. They don't. Now, I'm saying most because there are hundreds of thousands of YouTubers. I would say I'm probably up in the most. With this many subscribers at 3,000, I'm probably in the top 40% of YouTubers. So not bad for an old farm boy from Indiana, huh? But this, it kind of drills down the background and what this channel is all about, and some of the different things you can do. Revenue stream. Let me go click on revenue and see what it gives me. Maybe they'll tell me the lifetime. Oh, there it is. There it is. Lifetime, right over here to the right. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I can tell why I'm not getting many subscribers, because you do crap like this. Anyway, so it tells me Masonic Scottish Rite. This one here, I've actually made $50 almost on that video. Woohoo! I need more videos like that, huh? I definitely want to do videos that people are going to watch, but I've got some videos that are really good. I think they're really good, and they just don't get played. One of the big ones I just recently did was I've been trying to help churches, is this one here. Church tips to grow your church. I have no idea why every pastor in the country is not trying to watch this video. Your pastor should be trying to watch this video. If you have a pastor, get this to your church leadership. I've got tips of things about, as we travel the country, we've been in, 60 some odd churches, 80 churches throughout the few years. And some of the things that I'm seeing that can help grow your church is some things that I'm seeing that you can be doing at your church to help grow your membership, because obviously that's what you need, is membership growth. Well, I hope you enjoyed this look at the inside of my channel here. What kind of big money, hey, I'm making in this. It's really a labor of love. Got over 700 some odd videos now, and broken down into 6 different categories. So be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't. I just want to send a big shout out, thank you to all my subscribers, and those of you who are watching a lot. I know there's a guy named Sean Duffy that I want a big shout out to him. He tends to make comments on my videos a lot, and I wish more people would do more commenting on the videos of, hey, I really like the video, or or hey, I really found this part interesting, so I can maybe help me focus my next video. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, as I always say, because I'm just out here living the coolest life because of you. Thanks.